Hello everyone, as you can see this is J4 core, similar to J4 Plus. The screen is smashed, light is not coming on, as you can see quite shuttered on the screen. Okay, physically it's fine. So what are you going to do? Today we're going to replace the screen. First of all, I got the genuine replacement kit. So you're going to observe how it looks first. That's the one. As you can see, the flex is only one flex in here. It should be like that. So that's mean we don't need to get access at the back cover due to change this replacement. What you need to do, we just need to pull out the old one and then put the new one back. So I need a few tools. This is the Phillips screwdriver and metal flat tool, plastic card. This is the adhesive just to reseal the new screen. At the same time, we do have double-sided tape and of course the hair dryer. Okay, this hair dryer, I do like hair dryer rather than the hot gun, because what happens is the professional gun, they produce a lot of heat and it points to one specific area, but this one, because of they design it for the human hair to dry, definitely this one is friendly temperature and you can apply, you know, more than as usual, but it doesn't defect on the screen or in any parts. So this is my first choice. By the way, this is 2200 watt. So now what I'm going to do, first I'm going to apply some heat to melt down the adhesive which is laid underneath the screen, and then we'll do cleanup and we'll apply the new one. And before we apply, we're going to double check if the screen is fine or not. Once it's fine, we are good to go. So let's start. So first of all, turn off the power. You don't need to take out the SIM card tray or the memory card tray because this is absolutely fine. Okay, so let's start. This is hot enough. Okay, don't think I just applied few seconds. I paused the video while I was applying heat, okay, because I want to make the video shorter. But don't follow just few seconds, you must need to apply nearly a minute. Okay, it depends how strong is the heat is. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to make a gap in between the mid frame and the LCD. Because of the LCD is broken, I don't care that much to save this screen because this is broken already. So put it in the gap and try to go all over. Sometimes you need to attempt once or twice. Okay. Yeah, it seems it's coming out easily. So that's the actual LCD. Now we're going to use the tweezer to take out this plate. I need to remove it. Disconnect the flex. Okay, so that is the broken one, and also we can see the actual flex also ripped. This is no more useful. Now I'm going to give it a clean on the side, because if I apply the new adhesive, it's not going to stick that much if there is any old glue or any old dust or silicone. the way, I tested the LCD, which is absolutely fine, but for your case make sure you double check. Let's check if they did apply any adhesive and stuff. Okay. What I like to apply, of course, the adhesive, at the same time some double-sided tape. Okay, this is too fat, so I'm gonna choose the thinner one, because thinner one much more easy to apply. As you can see, the edge is very thin of the LCD. Gonna close this back now. It's completely connected.
Excuse me. Pin for
It's completely connected. Let's power it up just finally before I close it. Absolutely fine. So now we are good to close it back. Absolutely fine, no messy glue on the side way. Now we're gonna apply some sellotape just to leave it for drying up. So once you leave the board on, let's say sometime what happened, I think you might experience before. If you leave the keyboard on, the phone tap itself by itself. That means the screen is faulty. That's the reason why I leave the keyboard open, just to see if it tap itself, something like that. No, there is nothing. So you could say the replacement is successful. The screen is absolutely fine, it's working. So that's how you replace the screen for Samsung J410, which is called J4 Core. Remember this one, J4 Plus, they comes with same screen. Even J6 Plus also same screen. Don't be confused. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And still, if you do have any question, please make sure you leave it in the comment section. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to give me support. Thank you so much. I hope I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.